Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your EDIFIER NeoDots keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend to open EDIFIER Connect application, and right here you need to of course add these earbuds to the app, and then you need to go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have multipoint connection. Tap at this line and you need to disable this dual connection. So tap at the slider. But if it already disabled on your phone, the next step, we need to also check, is it reconnect to your phone? Yeah, sometimes it happens that we need to remove it and add these earbuds. Okay, now we have it. After that, check, is it fix your problem? If it doesn't, also I recommend it to disable LDAC. So you need to go also in the settings, but just give a second to this application. Yeah, you just go to the settings and right here you will see LDAC, so just disable it. Try, maybe this fix your problem, or try to enable it also, maybe this help you. Now if it also didn't help you, we need to perform a software set. To perform a software set, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected, and after that you open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. And then check, is it fix your problem. Next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put both of your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Open the lid, and on the right side we have connectional button. You need to press 3 times at this connectional button, and the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, we have it. Now we need to remove this earbuds from your phone and then add it. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget and forget. If you have Android, after that click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pring mode automatically, so you don't need to enter pring mode manually, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list. Okay, now I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. And firstly I will show you how to do this on this iPhone and then on Android device. But some Android phones have system what's similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find this way. And to do this, we need to go firstly, of course, to the settings, then to the general, and right here scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Then reset and reset network settings. We haven't option to reset Bluetooth like on Android, so only this one. Then you need to write your password, and right here we have reset network settings, but once you did it, you will totally remove all your networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android, open settings. I have stock Android, so we need to scroll down, go to the system, and then scroll down again, and at the bottom we have reset options. Tap at this line, and right here select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Tap at this line and click reset. But once you did it, you will totally remove your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!